True yoga train is here. Stretch and smile from ear to ear. Take a breath and clap along. We're beginning with our yoga song. Tickets ready, off we go. Moving fast and moving slow. Lift your arms up to the sky. Wave hello as birds fly by. Stretch your fingers, tap your feet, making every moment sweet. Every breath's a magic ride, with your smile right by your side. Yoga Express is on its way, bringing joy to every day. Stretch and wiggle, laugh and play. Let's do yoga every day. Strong and gentle, calm and bright. Everything is feeling right. Take a breath and sing with me. Yoga sets our spirits free. Through the mountains, through the trees, floating softly with the breeze. Reach up high and bend down low. Watch your happy energy grow. Turn around and softly sway. Yoga makes a lovely day. Every stretch is full of cheer, sharing smiles with everyone here. Ring the bell and take a breath. Celebrate each little step. Move with kindness, shine so bright. Fill your heart with morning light. Cross the rainbow, touch the stars. Dream about how strong you are. Stretch your shoulders, smile once more. Open up your yoga door. Every movement helps you shine, making every moment fine. Take one breath and proudly say, I'm growing stronger every day. Yoga Express is full of cheer. The happiest time of day is here. Stretch and sparkle, sing along. Every smile makes us strong. Take one breath and lift your eyes. Dream beneath the sunny skies. Yoga brings both joy and light, making every day feel bright. Stretch, smile, reach, shine. See you on our next yoga adventure.